Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Green Olympiad. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including question types and marking scheme. Next, review the detailed syllabus to identify all topics covered, ensuring no area is overlooked. Create a study plan that allocates specific time slots for each subject, aiming for at least 1 hour daily. This structured approach will build a strong foundation and boost your confidence for the exam. To excel, concentrate on core environmental topics like ecosystems, pollution, and sustainable development. These form the backbone of the Olympiad. Access past papers and sample questions from the official Green Olympiad website. They are invaluable resources. Supplement your learning by reading reputable environmental magazines and online articles. Staying updated on global environmental issues will provide a significant advantage in the competition. Regular practice is crucial for success. Dedicate time to solving full-length previous year question papers, simulating exam conditions to improve speed and accuracy. After each practice test, thoroughly review your answers, paying close attention to incorrect responses. Understanding why you made a mistake is key to learning. Also, work on developing strong analytical skills, as many questions require critical thinking and application of knowledge. On exam day, maintain a calm demeanor and manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Read every question carefully before attempting to answer, ensuring you fully understand what is being asked. Before final submission, take a few moments to review all your responses for any errors or omissions. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.